In this video, I will show you how to export your Napkin AI visuals as a PDF. Let's get started. I'll begin by closing this prompt and navigating to my library to find my project. From the My Napkins list, I'm opening the content optimization workflow. Once the page loads, I'll show you the first way to export. If I only need the infographic itself, I'll hover over the visual and click the export icon. In this menu, I'll select the PDF format. I can toggle the napkin logo on or off and choose between a light or dark color mode depending on my needs. When I'm ready, I'll click download. The file exports quickly, and when I open it, you can see the high-quality graphic is ready to go. Now, if I want to export the entire document including the text, I'll head to the top right and click the Share button, then select Export PDF. This opens a different menu where I can choose a page format like A4 or a single continuous page. I'll adjust my logo and color settings one last time and then hit download. This version neatly packages the entire workflow into a single file. And there you have it. That's the complete process of exporting Napkin AI visuals as a PDF.